So this building is gigantic. It's got 2 elevator shafts, 2 staircases. Look at how powerful that machine is. Just pushing that concrete around like it's butter. It's just crazy. So this machine has almost a 40-foot reach. Our machine has about a 30-foot reach, and you wouldn't think 10 mean a lot, but it does. When we're done, all the asphalt will be gone, the building will be gone. That's Sepio. I like to joke, everybody tells him he's my favorite employee. He's a workhorse. He does the work of 2 guys or 3 guys, really. He just doesn't stop. We have 4 very big projects going on right now. It's kind of spread us kind of thin.